Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hey everyone, again my name is Jene, and for those of you that are new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you hear, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that indication bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell is going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So how's everyone doing? I hope you're all doing very well. Today is Easter Sunday and I wish you and your family the very best. By saying that, we're going to be doing a full post review on this beautiful painting that you see here. This is my Chuck-along painting and I completed this a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to share with you this gorgeous painting. I'm going to be inserting a small video clip that I took outside just to show you what this painting looks like in natural light, and I'm going to insert it right here. This painting is called A Moment on Memory Lane. It's a 71 by 56 full round drill. This painting has 42 colors and 1 AB. Now I did swap out some of the colors and included the Nova AB crystal drills just to give it a little bit more flair. The artist is Mr. Chuck Penson, and the painting comes from the Diamond Art Club. This painting, when I first saw it come out, it was a must-have, and the reason for that is because it brings back a lot of really good memories. I love old cars and old trucks, and this painting has both of that. My father was a huge fan of the old Plymouths and Dodges, and when I saw this painting, that was the first thing I thought of was my father. So this was a painting for me that I just had to have. I couldn't pass it up. True to form in regards to Chuck Penson, this painting does have some confetti and it does have some color blocking. Personally, I would say it's 50-50, and the confetti is that respectable confetti. It's not that pull your hair out type of confetti. I really did enjoy putting this one together, and I'm just going to go over some pros and cons about this painting, and let's do the cons first, which is very small. The only con that I had with this painting was there was a bit of garbage. It wasn't a whole lot of garbage, but it wasn't minimal either. The pros to this painting though is it's that incredible Diamond Art Club canvas, the velvet back, scalloped edged, the schematic was crystal clear, and their drill field is also very clear. One thing about the Diamond Art Club that I really do like is the fact that the way they map their paintings, it's so easy for a newcomer to diamond painting to be able to follow the symbols on the schematic to the symbols in the drill area. Just very easy to read and easy to follow. So by saying that, I'm going to pause the camera and we're going to come back, and then I'm going to point areas where I've swapped those colors, and we'll be right back. All right, we are back, and one of the things that I wanted to point out is that I really wanted to enhance this painting, especially in the trees, the car, and the truck. And there are crystals spread out all over this canvas. So the areas I'm going to point out to you is the car first. And what I've done is I swapped out the 310 and I put in the Nova Jet ABs. And it really brings that color out. I also have Jet ABs down below here, as well as in this area. And then the fender of the truck is also the Jet AB, as well as the tree trunk through here. The other area that I wanted to enhance was this pickup here. And what I did is I swapped out the olive colors and I've put in the Nova Olivine AB drills throughout here. So that lines that pickup really nice. as well as putting the olivines in the green areas here as well as in here. The trees, though, is where I really went all out. And what I did is I swapped out 666 and I put in the Nova Light Cyan AB crystals, and they're all over in these trees as well as on this side. Really nice thing that really helped enhance even the crystals were the AB drills that came with the kit. They're right beside these crystals, and it really brings out a lot of shimmer and shine in this painting. So those are the areas that I swapped out to enhance this painting. Let me know what your opinion is of this beautiful, beautiful painting. I would love to know what you think. By saying that, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and bid all of you adieu. Again, always remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Happy Easter.